Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a Shopify partner. So, the first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com, create an account normally into your Shopify platform, and get a store. This is the first thing. So, basically, you need an account to put the access to the other or cross platforms like Shopify and Shopify platforms. This is the first thing. So as you can see here, we are on our Shopify admin dashboard. Now this is set. Now what are we going to do is to head over google.com. Then we are going to type in on the search bar Shopify partner. We're going to click on enter. Now we are going to see here the website become a Shopify partner. So we are going to click on it. Basically, it will take you to this specific area. So this is the landing page of Shopify Partner. What are we going to do is to click on Become a Partner. So now we are going to click on it, and then you're going to select one of the partner organization, or you're going to create a partner organization. So if you do not see this page right here, that means that you did not log in into your account. So you're going to log in into your account and click on become a partner. So basically you are going to create right there a as you can see, partner organization. So you're going to respond right there or answer these questions or these requests. What's your main focus as a Shopify partner? So you are going to select one of these. For those who doesn't know what is a Shopify partner, it is the account or the, let's say, the platform that will allow you to, for example, put your apps into the Shopify store. For example, you are going to be here a collaborator with other Shopify store owners, and also you can go ahead and be a theme developer or a theme creator into the platform of Shopify. So you are going to publish your theme into the theme library. So right there, we are going to choose one of the causes right there or the goals. For example, I'm going to provide services for existing businesses, like be a collaborator, for example, or a designer or something like that. You're going to put here the as you can see the region. So we are going to click on next. Then you can go ahead and put the addresses right there, the business name, for example. This business name will appear to the Shopify merchant and etc. So for example, we are going to type in here Jack, and we are going to put, for example, right there, maybe a address, Paris, for example, 30,000, and then we are going to click on create. So this is how we can create a Shopify partner for their organization, and this is the platform. So basically, we have here the stores that we can manage. We have their referrals, as you can see at the left side of the screen. We have the apps and also how we can add those, the themes, and etc. For the stores, we have here two options. Either we are going to create a development store, or we can request the access to a store managed by client. So we are going to be the collaborator. So basically, you are going to see here on this dashboard everything that you need to control whether the stores or the apps or the themes or whatever. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.